Hello friends, in this lecture we are understand what is meant by gate and the different types of gate which we are used in electronics or digital electronics. So basically gates is a device which provide authentication to latch the signal to different channel. Latch the signal in different channel. For example, if there is a n number of signal and there is a n number of channels, so particular signal we are drive to particular channel by the help of gates. So there are the different types of gates. Basically we have three types of gate: basic gates, universal gate and special purpose gate. In case of basic gates, there are the three types of gate: NOT gate, AND gate, OR gate. See here, this is the first gate is a NOT gate. So NOT gate have one input and one output. We are indicating input as a and output as a Y. So this is the symbol, and the expression of this gate is Y is equal to A bar. Y is equal to A bar. It's mean that if we are putting put A is equal to 0, so the Y is equal to 1. Inversely, the output will be inverse. 0, it produce 1, or if we are entering 1 as A, so output will be 0. So this is the inverse gate or NOT gate. So the next is AND gate. See here, this is the symbol of AND gate. AND gate having two input A, input B, and output is a Y. So the expression of AND gate is Y is equal to A into B. For example, if we are saying here A and B, so input is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So output will be 0 into 0, 0, 0 into 1, 0, 1 into 0, 0, 1 into 1, 1. So it making the multiplication of two inputs, 0, 0 into 0, 0 into 1, 0, 1 into 0, 0, 1 into 1. Only 1 into 1 having output 1. And if the any multiplication is having 0, so the output will be 0. So next is a OR gate. So see, this is the symbol of OR gate. There is a two input, input A, input B, and output Y. So the expression of OR gate is Y is equal to A plus B. A plus B. The same way here it making the addition of two input signal, input A, input B. So according to this we are see, for example, if we are say our input is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So in this condition, see here 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 0, it will be 1, or 1 plus 1, 1. So this is the output of OR gate. So in this way we can consider the different types of basic gates which we are using digital electronics. So next is universal gate. Universal gate means what? A gate, by the help of that gate you have to implement any different type of gate. I repeat, what is meant by universal gate? A gate, by the help of that gate you have to implement any another gate. It means that by the help of NAND gate you have to make NOT gate, AND gate and OR gate, or maybe XOR or XNOR gate. And by the help of NOR gate also you have to implement NOT gate, AND gate, then XOR gate or XNOR gate, any gate by the help of this unit. That's why we are saying it is a universal gate. Okay, so this will be we are seen in next lecture. So see here, universal gate having two type, NAND and NOR. Try to understand. We are understand and OR. So you have to just add one NOT in front of this gate. For example, see here we are seeing AND gate. So this AND gate having Y is equal to A into B. Already we know what is meant by NOT gate. NOT gate is not, if we are putting 0 it will be 1. If we are putting 1 it will be 0. The same way whatever output coming from A into B input, this inversely output of NAND gate. Inversely output of NAND gate. See here output is 0, 0, 0, 1. So here output will be 1, 1, 1, 0. For 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. We are just putting here this bar. This round is called as a NOT gate here. So due to this NOT gate, whatever output will become of AND gate, it is inversely as a NAND gate. So we are putting here one bar. This bar indicating there is a NOT. So see, the same way we are seeing the OR gate. So the OR gate is 2 input, 1 output. Again, NOR gate again also have 2 input, 1 output. But whatever the output coming from OR gate, it is inversely of a NOR gate. It is inversely of NOR gate. See, if we are getting output of OR gate as a 0, 1, 1, 1, 3 times. So the output of NOR gate is a 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. So it is inversely. It is inversely. Okay. So the last one type is a special purpose gate. Try to understand this special purpose gate. This special purpose gate we are used for the different application. See here XOR gate. See the symbol of XOR gate. It is the same as the OR gate, but there is a one extra curve here. So by the help of this curve, we are joining our input A and B. So there is no any this kind of a NOT gate round. So this is a simple XOR gate. So see here the basic fundamental of this XOR gate. If the input are same, then output will be 0. If the input are different, then output will be 1. For example, see here, if I am write A into B, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. See here, the input is a same, so output will be 0. See here, 1, 1. Input is a same, so output will be 0. And for another case, see here, input is different. Here, input is different. So here, output become a 1, 1. Please try to understand. If the input is same means if the input is 1, again 1, so it will be 0. If input is 0, again 0, so it is same input. So again output will be 0. If the output is different, 1, 0 or 0, 1, so your output will be 1. It is a basic fundamental of, or it is a basic principle of XOR gate. The same way we are seeing XNOR gate. NOR means again we are putting one NOT gate. So in special purpose gate, the another gate is XOR gate. See, whatever the output coming from XOR gate is inversely to XNOR gate. Okay, so output will be XNOR gate is 1, 0, 0, 1. It is inversely of XOR gate simply. So in this way, you have to understand the basic different types of gate which we are using digital electronic system. I repeat, basic gates have 3 types: NOT gate, AND gate, OR gate. Universal gate having NAND and NOR, and special purpose gate having XOR, XNOR. So these are the basic gates of digital electronics.